Welcome everyone, and welcome to the Bitcoin update, the main bad boy, the troublemaker in the room. And so right now we're at $24,746. The question is, what are we going to do now? I do see that Bitcoin has been moving up, but the altcoins are looking more miserable than Bitcoin, except for some few altcoins that did actually end up pumping with Bitcoin. Solana was good. We saw Solana moving from $15.5 all the way back to $20, and there's a big resistance at $20 as well. The question is, what is Bitcoin going to do? Yesterday I made a brief talk about the 1 hour pattern, and this 1 hour pattern told you that this is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and I'm actually expecting some push to the downside. So if you look at it this way, we are pretty much following that head and shoulder pattern. So there we go, the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. The neckline was actually here, broke to the downside, went up for the retest. You're getting rejected at the very same retest. So if I do zoom in here, then look at that retest. Okay, so these two candlesticks combined right over here, the green and the red, is called as bearish Harami candlestick pattern. So if you search that on Google, read about it, you're going to understand what it is. So it pretty much indicates that this is a rejection of the resistance, because whatever was support here, support there, and here has been turning into a resistance right over there. And I believe if someone is even looking to take down this trade, not a financial advice, then I think better stop loss is right at this wick up here. If you take out this wick, then it means you're getting back above the you're getting above the head and shoulder pattern. So the technical target is going to be, if I take the trend line from the top to the bottom again, so we have a move that is coming down from there to there, and we're looking for perhaps $22,900 or $23,000 could be round figure that I'm looking forward to. And a lot of altcoins are also looking to push a little bit lower. So it is what it is, because there's what do you call this, there's a little bit of that bearish divergence along the way. So if I do bring the RSI right over here, I was expecting some bearish divergence, and this is like a very regular bearish divergence. If you look at the prices, we have higher highs there, but the RSI was pretty flat. So it's a regular bearish divergence. It's not like a very clear one, but it's almost called like a regular bearish divergence, and that's the reason why we had this push to the downside. And we can expect even more drops, because the RSI on the 1 hour time frame seems to me that it wants to come down to this oversold level down at this area. So that's pretty much it for this update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.